Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the pressure switch on a Hoover washing machine. If your LCD display screen is showing the error code E04, this means there is a problem with the pressure switch. The pressure switch inside the washing machine detects the water level and will let the PCB know when it has reached the correct level for the cycle chosen. It'll also tell the PCB when the water has fully drained. So if your pressure switch has failed in any way, it's essential that you replace it. Let's take a look. The tools you'll need for this fix are a pair of pliers and a short Phillips screwdriver. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. Now I need to take the top off the appliance using the Phillips screwdriver. And with the top of the appliance off, here we can see the pressure switch. Now it's held in place by a Phillips screw, and this is why you need a shorter Phillips screwdriver, just to be able to get it in and undo that screw safely. Then you can pull the pressure switch up a little bit. And what you'll need to do is use your pair of pliers on this Jubilee clip, push that up the hose to release the hose. Then release the electrical connection and the pressure switch is free. To find the correct pressure switch for your particular appliance, you're going to need to know the machine's model number. This will ensure you're getting the correct part for your machine. Now, if you're unsure about where to find the model number on your appliance, check out our video here, how to find the model number on a washing machine. And you can find a link to all parts in the description below. To replace the pressure switch, fit the electrical connection into place. Reattach the hose and then, using the pair of pliers, move the Jubilee clip up and into position to secure the hose. Once the hose is in place and the electrical connection is in place, you can then screw it back into position. You can now refit the top of the appliance. So there we have it, how to replace the pressure switch on a Hoover washing machine. Hopefully your machine is back up and running once again. Now while you're here, why not check out this brilliant video? Energy saving tips for your washing machine to help you save energy and money whilst using your appliance. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, maintenance advice, repair guides, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.